Hi, I'm Stu. I'm a technician here at Taylor Auto Mall. Today we're going to talk about coolant. A lot of people in the wintertime have issues with heat. If you ever have a vehicle that doesn't heat up quite as fast, you'll want to check your coolant. So never take your cap off when it's hot. When your engine's hot, your coolant system is under pressure. Taking this cap off can blow coolant in your face and can basically burn you. If you ever do notice that your coolant is a bit low, or if you notice your coolant is dirty or you don't get quite as much heat as you used to, a good recommendation is getting your coolant exchanged. A lot of times with coolant, since it's 50% water, 50% coolant, it'll slowly degrade over time and it won't give you the strength. A lot of times when it's really, really cold, the coolant can't keep up. And what'll happen is it'll try as hard as it can, but it will not give you the heat you need. What you will need to do is replace all of your coolant in your system with fresh coolant, and that'll get you as hot as possible.